For our rural business project, we decided to work with Great Plains Nursery, located outside Weston, Nebraska. It's about 25 miles north of Lincoln and about 40 miles west of Omaha. They've been in the business for about 7 years now, and they promote environmental friendly landscapes by providing plants that would thrive in our natural conditions. Their mission statement is, "It's all in the roots."
Great Plains Nursery is a family-owned business owned by Brian and Heather Byers. They have a passion for growing and planting trees and have a strong sense of stewardship and ecology when it comes to the environment.
Heather received her bachelor's degree in horticulture production at the University of Nebraska-Lincoln. She is a certified Nebraska nurseryman and is a past director of the Nebraska Nursery and Landscape Association.
Great Plains Nursery supplies plants to communities across the state and was awarded the Nebraska Forest Service's Green Industry Award in 2011 for rising above and beyond one's business to enhance a community tree resource.
Great Plains Nursery provides different species for trees, shrubs, evergreens, and ornamental grasses. They also provide help for specific uses such as drought tolerance, moist locations, wildlife plants, rain gardens, fragrance, insect attraction, deer resistance, color, flowering trees, and protected sites.
We were assigned to work with Great Plains Nursery and to formulate ideas how to better advertise their business and products. In the business process gathering advertising ideas, we will focus on what attracts people using human senses such as sight, sound, smell, and touch. However, within advertising, it's not possible to use all these such as taste, touch, and smell, but we can trick customers into thinking that they can taste, touch, and smell through images and sound.
So we called up Heather, went to Weston, and set up a day to meet with her. We mentioned the idea of a calendar with images for her nursery, landscaping quotes, specific planting dates, and conference dates. She agreed and helped us gather images for the different seasons. We used Walgreens to produce our calendar because they are convenient and a lot cheaper. In the calendar, on the cover page, we have their logo and then all their contact information. So if someone were wanting to buy a plant right off the spot, that they always have that reference to go to. Within the calendar, we have a lot of pictures from her nursery so that people get an idea of exactly what she produces and sells. And then we also have cute quotes in here that says something like, "The clearest way into the universe is through a forest of wilderness." People are going to notice those quotes and relate that to sound and then our images. And then with our specific planting dates, we have when to collect seeds, we have conference dates, Earth Day, when frost begins, things like that. Now, we use the senses, especially image and the sound from the quotes, to relate to people. And how we get them with taste and touch, stuff like that, we have to get a good enough image to where they're imagining it's right there in front of them. And especially trees that produce fruit, they want to taste those things. If they have an apple tree in their backyard, they're like, "Ooh, yeah, apples, yum, let's do that."
Heather loved the whole idea of the calendar and had mentioned wanting to do this in the past. She was very happy to help and seemed pleased with the finished results. Hopefully she will use the calendar to help promote businesses, and if she were to hand them out during her conferences, we would believe that this would help attract more customers as well as keep her loyal customers involved.
Sometimes people just need a reminder, a little nudge to get their senses, to get them motivated enough to get their landscaping ideas into action. Advertising, such as our calendar, will give that nudge and get their name out there.
In fact, there are many ways of advertising, such as the video, and if you'd like to place an order with Great Plains Nursery, you can contact them at 402-540-4801 or email Heather at greatplainsnursery.com. Thank you.
Thanks.